Now we are coming towards the last part of this topic, ascent of SAP. We are going to discuss about the factors affecting the phenomena of ascent of SAP. Like factors affecting water absorption, there are also many external and internal factors which affect the phenomena of ascent of SAP. Let us discuss first external factors. First, temperature. Increase or decrease in temperature affects the ascent of SAP. For example, if we increase the temperature between 20 to 30 degrees centigrade, then it is observed that there is a continuous increase in rate of ascent of SAP. Second factor, wind factor. Moderate wind increases the rate of ascent of SAT because increase in wind velocity increases the loss of water by transpiration. And as the transpiration rate increases, rate of pulling the water from the xylem also increases, and finally we can say ascent of SAP increases. Third factor, light. Light intensity also affects positively on rate of ascent of SAT. When high light intensity, rate of photosynthesis is high. That means photolysis of water is high, and as photolysis of water is high, the loss of water is high. As loss of water is high, so the absorption or conduction of water from the root or stem it is also high. So light intensity indirectly affects the ascent of SAP. Fourth factor, soil. Soil, water, and ascent of SAP. It is observed that more the soil water, then the rate of ascent of SAP is observed to be also higher. As well known, maximum water is there, so it will be absorbed frequently. Plenty of water will be or SAP will be absorbed, and so automatically loss in the form of transpiration it will also happen more. So soil water availability increases the rate of ascent of SAP. So these are the external factors. Now let us study about the internal factors, that is factor related with the inside internal plant body factors. First, root pressure. Root pressure, it is a very important phenomenon observed in the herbaceous plants. In herbaceous plant, early in the morning you will observe what we say the dew drops, दव बिंदू आपण म्हणतो त्याला. That dew drops is because of the phenomena of root pressure. So early in the morning, that water which is absorbed by that herbaceous plants, that water is given out on the margin of the leaves, and what we call the dew water, and this is the phenomenon of root pressure. So in herbaceous plant, water moves up due to root pressure. So root pressure is responsible for ascent of SAP. Second factor, rate of transpiration. Increase in rate of transpiration, definitely it will increase the rate of ascent of SAT, because as there is a loss of water, so there will be the definitely absorption of water will also be more. So rate of transpiration is directly related with the ascent of SAP phenomena. Fourth factor, osmotic pressure. Higher the osmotic pressure, it increases the rate of ascent of SAP. Ascent of osmotic pressure means capability of that cell to absorb water. Higher the capability of that water to absorb water, definitely the ascent of SAP will be more. That is the effect of osmotic pressure. And fourth, an internal factor, that is anatomy of xylem. Anatomy of xylem. Xylem, we know it is consisting of four elements: xylem vessels, tracheids, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, etc., etc. In lower plants like pteridophytes, gymnosperms, there is absence of tracheids, absence of vessels. While in angiosperm, there is a presence of vessels plus tracheids. So angiospermic xylem is more complex, And as it is more complex, and angiosperms show more rate of ascent of sap compared to the pteridophytes and gymnospermic plants. And because we know angiosperms, they are evolved, they are having more complex tissue, that is vessels in their xylem tissue, and they show more rate of ascent of sap compared to lower gymnospermic plants who have not the vessel like conducting xylem elements. So these are about the various factors which affect the rate of ascent of sap. In this way, we have come to the end of this topic, ascent of sap.